What is the primary objective of establishing governance and risk management processes for an organization? Option A. Manage assets effectively in accordance with local laws. Option B. Minimize cybersecurity risks in conjunction with compliance processes. Option C. Determine compliance controls in accordance with national laws. Option D. Establish recovery time objectives for critical infrastructure. The correct answer is option B. You need to review your current security baseline policy for your company and determine which security controls need to be applied to the baseline and what changes have occurred since the last update. Which category addresses this need? Option A. ID, AM. Option B. PR, IP. Option C. PR, MA. Option D. ID, SC. The correct answer is option B. A security audit of the systems on the network must be performed to determine their compliance with security policies. Which control should be used for the audit? Option A. PR.DS. Option B. DA.CM. Option C. RS.ME. Option D. ID, AM. The correct answer is option A. In accordance with PR, MA, an organization has just truncated all log files that are more than months old. This has freed up TB per logging server. What must be updated once the truncation is verified? Option A. SDLC. Option B. IRP. Option C. Baseline. Option D. ISCM. The correct answer is option C.
Thank you.